channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Amanda Hairs. I have worked with them so many times on my channel, and if you guys know anything about me, you know that I love Amanda Hair. They have amazing quality hair. It's just bomb. Every single wig, it's just full, soft, beautiful. It's luxury and it's affordable too. I don't know how they do it, but they do it and they do it well. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x4 copper brown Spanish curly transparent lace frontal wig in the density 250%. So she's giving full, she's giving this is beautiful. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night. Look at her. I put on my Harvard tee to match, but look at her, you guys. She's beautiful. Now, what did I do with the comb, with the strap? Okay, I'm gonna apply the strap. Okay, let's try it on and then see if we need any lace tint. Okay, yeah, so I am gonna tint the lace. We do want this wig to lay extra flat. As usual, I'm going in with my lace tint by Ebon.
I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now you're perfect.
So we're definitely liking how that's looking now that we put the lace tint on her. I might have done the strap a little too tight.
They're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just
And with some lace melt spray, and also I'm gonna use the black can of Ebon. So this one here.
all time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time.
So I'm gonna get most of that hair out of my way. This is easier to just use these clips, right? Get this hair out of your way. They sell these clips at the dollar store, guys, if you're new to installing wigs. Lately, I've been having some new clients from, you know, the local area, and they might not know exactly how to install a wig. Beginner friendly. Go get you some of those clips. It is gonna make a huge difference if you don't have some already. Right now it's still like flapping up in the wind, but that's what this is gonna do, the melt band. I'm gonna put one down this way. And blow dryer. Blow dryer is definitely my best friend when it comes to styling wigs. Can't live without it.
More time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time.
A new trick that I like is applying the band while the product is still wet. Don't dry it with a blow dryer first and then put on the lace. You have to apply it while it's still wet. It does make a huge difference. This area though, I do dry because it needs to be tacky to stay.
Back
That's how she's looking, very melted. I'm gonna come back once this side is done because I just have to do this little piece. It's gonna be so cute. He secured her. I'm gonna get some powder that matches my skin tone just to hide that lace or any areas where the spray left any white cast. I know it's hard to see on camera, but it's there, so I can see it. And just like that, right? It looks more natural. I'm gonna use my eyebrows as my measuring. We don't want those sideburns too long. Even though this is like a bright red color, we're still going for a natural look. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some Eco Gel right here. Put some there, this is a trick. Put some there and just go about your life and do your thing. And then the next time you need some gel, some that's a little bit stronger, hold, go for the lid. Look at that, works every time. It's a little bit dry.
I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am.
Hey, baby hairs are done. This wig is so cute. Oh my god, you guys. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Amanda Hair, they have beautiful wigs.
You said that you needed me
Yes, that looks really good.
like a cargo. You will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking.
It's just so flattering. No matter which way you flip it, it looks good. Let me see. Yeah, like, yes, side me up. Wow, like look at this. You can't tell me this is not my hair. Excuse me, what? We want to see what it looks like parted down the middle, I'm sure. Ooh, child, that is spicy. That's hot. Don't do that. Okay, I'm gonna hit it with some spray. Just so you can flatten that a little bit. Okay. Yeah. And since we did the part, I have to be all extra and define the part. Because we don't like wearing bald caps over here. We do the lazy girl method. That's the thing about me, like I don't do crazy styles over here on my channel, but I give you guys a thorough install. Take the time to bleach my knots. I do all of that. I pluck my wigs. I don't just put it on and never do anything to it. I always try to showcase the wig in the best way possible, because if you get a wig, you're most likely gonna try to make it look the best because you've invested your money into it. So that's what we like to do over here on my channel. Those of you that rock with me and that has been rocking with me, thank you. I appreciate you. I love you, actually, because without you guys, it wouldn't be possible. Straight up. One thing you always got to remember is get the ends with some gel and water. I hate when I look at like the pics from girls that are rocking wigs, and like that's their job, to style the wigs, you know, make it look good, and then the ends are all crunchy. Like, babe, what are you doing? You need to be a fine babe. In order to be a fine babe, you have to detail the wig. We are going to come back when the wig is dried and we're gonna live our best life, okay? Wigs. Usually with colored wigs, the knots are really resistant, so you're just gonna have to deal with seeing a few spots, but these knots on this wig in particular are very small, so thankfully that's not an issue for me. But if you really want to hide those knots, if they're bothering you, you could go in with some powder and just dibble dabble on there, and then just dab, 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 and that will help hide those knots a little bit more, because I do notice that these wigs, yeah, the knots are more visible. Now, I did decide to style her parted down the middle so you guys can see both options. I think I prefer how I had it before, like tossed over, but I wanted you guys to see both ways, and it is beautiful nonetheless. Really pretty, nice fit, and the density is great on this unit. It is a beautiful wig. There's nothing else to say besides it's just beautiful. If you want to check it out, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. Don't forget to check that before you go. There's a coupon code is gonna be there as well. Let me know your thoughts. Which style do you prefer, the tossed over or this classic middle part? Because you know I am a middle part babe. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up because it really does go a long way, and I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Bye.